Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Jay.
And I'm Mia. Today, we're talking about renewing a visa and what to say when things don't go as planned.
Documents, appointments, photos, payment. Sounds simple, right?
Apparently not.
Let's get into it.
My visa expires in 12 days.
12 months?
12 days.
You have an appointment already, right?
I am booking it now.
Mia.
What?
Sit down. This is going to be a long morning.
It is not going to be a long morning. I already made a list.
Of course you did.
Passport, proof of address, application form, photos, and payment. 5 things.
And you think 5 things is the whole problem.
If I prepare properly, everything will go smoothly.
That is a lovely theory.
You do not agree.
I have renewed my visa 4 times. Something always goes wrong.
Because you are not organized.
I was extremely organized once.
Once?
Once.
What happened?
We will get to that.
That sounds suspicious.
Just remember this. Check everything twice.
Fine. Let us test my theory. Step 1. Book the appointment online.
How's it going?
The website crashed.
Already?
It is loading again?
Your plan is going beautifully.
The website crashing is not my fault.
I know. Keep going.
Monday is full.
Next.
Tuesday is full.
Next.
Thursday, 9 in the morning.
Take it.
Got it.
How long did that take?
20 minutes.
Just to book an appointment.
Fine. Maybe this will take longer than I expected.
We are making progress.
Do not enjoy this too much. Okay, appointment book. What else am I missing?
Extra copies of everything.
The website does not say that.
Bring them anyway.
Why?
Because if they ask for one, you have one.
Fine. Extra copies.
Bring cash and a card.
They take cards.
Are you sure?
It says so on the website.
The website that crashed?
You really do not trust that website.
I trust backup plans.
Cash and card. Anything else?
Eat breakfast.
That is not paperwork.
You may be waiting for hours.
Fair point.
And check your passport.
Obviously.
Check it again.
Why are you saying that like it is important?
We will get to that.
There it is again. Thursday morning. I am outside the building.
How early?
45 minutes.
Good.
There is already a line around the corner.
Also normal.
I thought 45 minutes early was enough.
It probably is.
Probably?
Welcome to government offices.
I am inside now. There is a machine with number tickets.
Take one first.
A 47.
What number are they calling?
A 12.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Find a chair.
I brought a book.
Of course you brought a book.
Preparation.
Ask me again in an hour.
1 hour.
What number?
A 31.
Not bad.
I have read the same page 4 times.
There it is.
The woman next to me has been here since 7.
Talk to her. She probably knows everything.
She said counter 4 moves fastest.
Can you choose the counter?
No.
Very useful information.
Completely useless information.
Exactly.
Wait, there is a sign about payment.
What does it say?
I cannot read it from here.
Go closer.
I will lose my seat.
Read the sign.
Fine.
Well?
Card payments are not available today.
Interesting.
System maintenance.
And what did the website say?
Stop.
I am just asking.
Cards accepted.
And what is in your bag?
Cash.
Because
you told me.
Thank you.
You are going to talk about this for years.
Absolutely.
A 47. That is me.
Go.
Hi, I'm here to renew my visa. Here's my application.
How's it going?
She is looking at the date.
What about it?
I wrote day, month, year.
And?
They want month, day, year.
So you need to fix the form.
I filled out the whole thing carefully.
I know.
I really do not want to fill it out again.
Ask her exactly what format she wants.
Okay, could you show me the correct format, please?
Perfect.
She gave me a new form.
Problem solved.
Problem restarted.
Fair.
Form fixed.
Good.
She is checking my photos now.
And?
She stopped.
Uh-oh.
Do not say uh-oh.
What happened?
The background is light gray.
And they want white?
They want white.
Where did you get the photos?
At a professional photo shop.
And they said the photos were fine?
Yes.
Preparation.
J.
Sorry.
There is a photo booth downstairs.
Ask if you can come back to the same counter.
Good idea. Is there somewhere here I can take new photos?
Good.
And can I come back to this counter after?
Even better.
She said yes.
That question just saved you a lot of waiting.
Going downstairs now. New photos, white background. I am back upstairs.
Good.
Now tell me your story.
Which story?
The one where you were extremely organized.
Right.
What happened?
I prepared everything the night before.
Okay.
Application, photos, copies, payment, everything in a folder.
Sounds perfect.
Then I took my passport out.
Why?
I wanted to check the expiry date one more time.
And?
I left it on my desk.
No.
Yes,
You went to your visa appointment without your passport?
I did.
When did you realize?
At the counter.
When they asked for it?
Exactly.
What did you say?
Nothing useful.
Please tell me you could go home and come back.
No.
New appointment?
3 weeks later.
3 weeks?
My visa expired 8 days later.
Okay,
Now you understand why I kept telling you to check your passport.
I understand.
Check everything twice.
Especially the passport.
Especially the passport.
She is stamping something.
That sounds promising.
She said it will be ready in 10 business days.
Done.
Finally,
How long were you there?
2 hours and 40 minutes.
That is pretty good.
Pretty good?
Mine took 5 hours once.
Because you forgot something?
Different story.
We are not doing that story today.
Fair enough.
So who was right?
About what?
Preparation.
You were right that preparation helps.
Thank you.
But I was right that something can still go wrong.
Also true.
You had cash when the card system was down.
True.
You had extra copies.
True.
You asked to come back to the same counter.
True.
And you brought your passport.
Unlike someone I know.
I knew that was coming. Before we go, let us look at 5 useful words from the story.
Number 1, expire.
Expire means something is no longer valid after a certain date.
My visa expires in 12 days.
My passport expires next year.
Number 2, renew.
Renew means to make something valid for another period of time.
I need to renew my visa.
I renewed my passport last year.
Number 3, appointment.
An appointment is a fixed time to meet someone.
I booked an appointment for Thursday.
I have a dentist appointment tomorrow.
Number 4, proof of address.
A document that shows where you live.
A bank statement can be proof of address.
Or a utility bill.
Number 5, business days.
Business days are normal working days. Weekends usually do not count,
It will be ready in 10 business days.
which feels much longer than 10 days.
Always.
Time to make some basic English sound more natural.
My visa finishes soon.
People will understand you, but there is a better word.
My visa expires soon.
Exactly.
I want to make my visa longer.
Understandable.
Better?
I need to renew my visa.
Much better.
Next one.
I do not understand this form.
That explains the problem, but you can ask for help directly.
Could you show me the correct format, please?
Perfect.
Next one. Can I go and come back?
Too vague.
Can I come back to this counter after?
Clear and useful.
Last one. When will it be finished?
Try this.
How long does processing usually take?
Exactly.
Your turn.
We will give you a situation.
You have 3 seconds to say it in English.
Ready?
Your visa will become invalid next month.
3,
2.
1.
My visa expires next month.
Good.
Next one.
You want to extend your visa.
3.
2.
1.
I need to renew my visa.
Last one.
You do not know how to write the date on the form.
3.
2.
1. Could you show me the correct format, please?
Nice. 3 phrases to remember today.
My visa expires soon.
I need to renew my visa.
Could you show me the correct format, please?
If you remember those 3, you already have something useful for a real situation.
You know what is worse than renewing a visa?
I'm afraid to ask.
Getting to the airport and realizing your flight has changed.
That sounds like another long morning.
See you next time.
If this episode helped, like and subscribe to Everyday English Podcast.
And before you leave the house, check your passport,
Twice.
especially if your name is Jay.
Fair.